Did you know there's a lot more floating around in your indoor air than you can easily see? These particles are called particulate matter, or particle pollution. Some particulate matter, like household dust or pet hair, can be easily seen in the air. However, there are even smaller, microscopic particles that are invisible to the naked eye. These are often categorized by size, such as PM10 and PM2.5. Some of these microscopic particles may include living things like viruses, mold spores, pollen, and bacteria. When inhaled, some of these particles can impact health. Luckily, there are steps you can take, like cleaning surfaces with a damp cloth to reduce the sources of particles, using fans to ventilate while cooking and showering, and using high-quality air filters and air cleaners. Learn more about what you can do to improve the air in your home at epa.gov/IAQ, and the web pages listed in the description below.